tell me a little bit about how do we understand slavery and its place in the Constitution when it's not present as a word in the Constitution, it is used in any form, but how does it play a part?
The Constitution can be read as defending slavery, and it can be read as setting the terms for the ultimate abolition of slavery. So to say it's a pro-slavery document or an anti-slavery document seems to me to be too simple. And if you think about it, it's not that surprising that it's both, because after all, it was a compromise document written by delegates from some states where slavery was rapidly becoming illegal, and other states where slavery was at the core of the economy and the culture. So if they were going to put together a new nation and they were going to agree on some basic concepts like how to organize the government, for instance, they were going to have to compromise on that issue. They were going to have to give something to the slave owners and something to those who didn't think slavery had any future in these new United States. That's what they did. Essentially, they kicked the can down the road and they left it to future generations to resolve this question about whether slavery as an institution had any place in the United States. And we know what happened almost 100 years later. The matter was resolved by a massive, unbelievably bloody civil war that settled the issue once and for all.